guess where we're going? We're going to New York for my birthday. It's my big birthday. I won't tell you how old until Sunday. You can probably guess. So yeah, we're going for 10 days. We are staying at the New Yorker hotel. I have so much planned, so much in these 10 days planned. We've got a little bit of a chill day tomorrow just to get our heads around the jet lag and stuff. I have got myself this and this, which looks very nice. And John's waiting for his milkshake and burger in this Archies. So our flight is at 1:30 and we land in New York at 4:30. We are flying premium with Virgin, and I've downloaded this new mobile app thing here. I'm trying Airlo for the first time as well, which is an eSIM which you activate when we're there, which sounds amazing because the prices now in America for your phone is ridiculous with EE and anyone else. But I think I paid something like $13 for 10 gig of data, and you just switch it on to the travel one when you get there. I'll show you. And I've also downloaded MPC, which is mobile passport control in New York. It must be all over America, but we're trying it for the first time in New York. So our Esters, I think, are on there and passport details, and you can just go right through. We'll see how it works when we get there anyway, I'll tell you. You can tell I'm so excited, I'm babbling on. I've got my birthday neck on, very nice. Yeah, so what was I saying? So we get there about 4:30. By the time we get to the hotel, we're going to be knackered, so we'll just have a little check-in, walk round. Tomorrow I'm thinking of getting up early, because we will be awake early, and going over to Dumbo for the sunrise, which will be nice. On my birthday I have the Plaza planned for breakfast, Home Alone Plaza for breakfast. You couldn't book that, you had to, I emailed them and they said you just turn up and hopefully it's okay. And then I've got a pedicab tour booked for 11 AM with Night, my NYC guide, I think his name is, which gets amazing reviews around Central Park. And then after that we're either going down to Chinatown for the end of the lunar celebrations for the Chinese New Year, or I might do Central Park Zoo, because I've never done that and I've always wanted to do it. And then I have Gallagher's booked for afternoon, say 3:30 I think I've booked Gallagher's for, and then we've got Michael Jackson the musical on Broadway, which will be amazing. It looks so good. So I've got a lot plans for my birthday. I'll keep it updated. I'm just going to have my little drink and sandwich and then I'll be back to you guys. We go soon. Nice little trip to New York for 10 days. So people, here we are, Manchester Airport, waiting for our gate to come up. It's now, let's see, just gone 12:10. Our flight is at 1:30. So let's go and have a little look. So exciting, so excited. I've not vlogged before in New York, so this will be amazing, because the last time we came 2 years ago I wasn't doing it. I've only been doing it for about 18 months, just under, so been looking forward to doing New York. Let's have a little look, turn the camera around. So we are gate 202 and it's up, so let's go and get John. Go to gate 202. Hopefully everything's on time. It's all been smoothly. Check-in was fast, very fast. We're premium, like I say, and we just went straight to the front. Passport control, great. Sorry, not passport control. Where you get through with your hand luggage was absolutely fine. In fact, they're trialling out a new lane which we went in, and you don't have to take anything out your bags. You can take something over 100 mils. But I'd already emptied my water, so it was a bit pointless. But hopefully they're hoping that comes into effect all over soon in the next 12 months, so we won't have to measure our drinks and put makeup in bags, laptops out, everything can just go in normal. So I'll see you on the plane, guys. So these are the guys saying taxi you got to avoid. This is the taxi queue, which you get in just outside, and the guys there are trying to get people saying, yeah, we'll do a deal, taxi. Ignore them, don't give them eye contact, because you pay about $200. Look at the little dog. Little dog on its holidays. Taking a little shortcut here. There's all the traffic there, and we're just going through Jamaica. Yeah. The Mega Millions there. This is our room. The actual first room they put us in, which they said was an upgrade, was tiny, absolutely tiny. It just had the bed and the view wasn't great. So I've been back down and they have upgraded us to this room, but it is an extra $10 a night. But look at that view, it's worth it. Just look at that view of the Empire State. Don't know whether you can see it, the curtains. Probably see me, but it's amazing. You see through there. Woo! Got a fridge in this room, but John ain't happy with the shower. He's gone down because the shower just literally won't stay up, so he's gone down just to tell them. But it's a nice big room. It is an old hotel, but we knew that. Nice big chair there. Let's see. Madison Square Garden and the Empire State. Welcome to New York. Here we are. What time is it now? About 8:30. So we've just got here a few hours ago and we're having a little walk around. The weather is really mild. I'm surprised. I thought it was going to be freezing. So we're trying to stay awake as long as we can so we can have a good little sleep. Friday night. So our hotel down there, Madison Square Garden. John and his New York hat. The Port Authority there, where you can get the bus to many places. We like going to Jersey Gardens. Go there. Yeah. Still on my phone now. When we stayed 2 years ago, that's where we stayed, the Westin. New York Times Square, the Westin, which is a really nice hotel. We had a lovely view. We've turned round now, there's the sugar factory over there. Don't remember seeing that there last time. Day one in New York. Look at my eye, all bloodshot. It's a glasses day today. So here's our room again. Nice big room, very old. I thought this was next door, but it's actually a walk-in little wardrobe. And then there's another wardrobe here. A nice full-size mirror. The bed is actually really comfortable. This is our view. The Empire State, Madison Square Garden. Those rooms look nice with the little balconies. And I bought this off Amazon. It's a little portable coffee maker. Brought my own coffee with me. I have a fridge, bottle of wine, which I've brought in the airport. And there is my card, what my mum and dad got me for my birthday, which is tomorrow. And that's it, guys. We're going to go down to TikTok Diner for our breakfast and go from there. So we're just going down in the lift. Here's the lobby. Just go in.
For two, right?
Yes. So here's my black coffee from TikTok Diner. See what it's like. Yeah, it's nice. It's actually really nice. John's got his tea. Yeah, there's John's tea. So I've ordered the, what was it called? The griddle deluxe with the French toast and bacon, and John's gone for what? Eggs?
2 eggs.
2 eggs with sausage. Sausage, I think.
No.
So yeah, that's how we go in TikTok time. So here's mine. You get your syrup. And here's John's. So let's see what it's like. So we finished. What do you think of yours? Normal, just basic. Yeah, mine was okay, nothing special. Try something different next time. But yeah, so we're just deciding what to do next. And we'll see you there.